Good morning. Welcome back to Easy English with Anna. Today is a calm morning at home. I wake up slowly. I open my eyes. I feel calm. I sit on my bed. I stretch my body. I move slowly. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. The morning feels nice. I look outside. The sky looks soft. It is a peaceful day. I wash my face. Cool water feels nice. I feel fresh. I choose comfortable clothes. I like simple things. I feel relaxed. I make a warm drink. The cup feels warm. I enjoy this moment. I sit quietly. I enjoy the silence. The morning feels slow. Do you like slow mornings? Tell me in the comments. Let's learn English together.